This is pretty much the home screen of the application, and here you can see pretty much all types of drama clips, drama movies which you guys can watch. You have the home option, you have the new section, new releases, you have the ranking option where the short clips of pretty much every one that people are watching. As you can see here, quite a lot of 6.2 million people are watching this movie here. You have the popular series section here as well, and you have some other ones which is pretty much original and so forth. At the top, you can pretty much use the search icon to search for what you want. Maybe you know one of these short clips that you want to check out. You can search here and pretty much find for what you want. You also see what other people are searching for. As you can see here, this is the number one option that most people are searching for right now, which you also can check out yourself. So if you go in the For You section, it will pretty much show you short clips. It's pretty much like TikTok. You'll be able to scroll. I can't show you guys because it's gonna blur it out or it's not gonna show anything. But once you have entered the For You option, we'll just scroll and show short clips of different drama movies of all types. We'll just give you the interesting part. You can pretty much go in the episode section and look if you want to watch it. So here, let's say you want to watch one of these movies. All you have to do is select the one that you want to watch. Some of them, as you can see here, won't show on your screen or in the screen recording, but once you have selected the movie that you want to watch, you can go in the episode section and look for the episode that you want to watch. So you may see it down here. All you have to do is tap on X to remove it. So in the My List section, all the movies that you have watched will pretty much show up here. And also the movies that you have followed will show up in the section here. So you have the reward section where you do get coins for just checking in. Do make sure you go in the reward section and check in to get free coins. Because you're gonna need free coins or you're gonna need coins to unlock the episodes. Some episodes may cost around 60 coins or 80 coins, some even 100 coins. So do make sure you log in or you watch ads or you pretty much, you can do these other side tasks here which do give you coins as well. So that's pretty much it for that option. You have the home profile section here where it does tell you how much coins you have, and also you can tap on the top up option here to get more coins by purchasing. So you have either a subscription base, you can unlock all series for 1 week. You can either go that route instead of using coins, and also you can get it for 1 month and also for here. So you have the VIP option here where you unlock all series free, ads free. You can download the music to watch, download the videos or the movies to watch offline as well. So depends on what you guys want. And at the top here, you can buy coins. So do make sure you have coins because some of the episodes gonna need coins to unlock. So do keep that in mind. Well, it's a very good application. In the For You section, as I said before, they're gonna show you some interesting short clips of the movies or the drama clips, and you're gonna want to check them out. So that's really pretty much it for the application. If I missed anything at all, please comment below. I would gladly love to help you out with that. See you in the next one.